This is me, 23 years old and about to board a private jet with my best mate. Must be living the dream, right? Born to mega rich parents and everything handed to us on a plate. You couldn't be more wrong. This is also me. My name is Rhys, 23 years old, born and bred in London. Just your average kid who grew up loving nothing more than supporting my local football team and spending time with mates. Only 3 years ago, I was studying in university, working part-time and living for the weekends. So how had things changed? It all started here, making a decision to step out of my comfort zone and being brave enough to listen to nobody but myself. Getting on a plane and flying 6,000 miles away. Chasing an opportunity and following a childhood dream of studying and living in California. And guess what? It was the best decision of my life. Humbled by the experiences that will stay with me for a lifetime. A chance to create new friendships, listen to different perspectives and gain a greater understanding of others. But above it all, I was lucky enough to meet a friend who became more like a brother. Introduced me one Thanksgiving to a family who made me understand the true meaning of selflessness and giving. Putting others first. Treating everyone with the same respect and love they deserve. Something that impacted me more than I realised at the time. Fast forward graduation and a choice to work a 9 to 5 or an opportunity to help families and individuals earn or save from products and services they are already purchasing through a free to join platform called Trunited, created by the very family who welcomed me into their homes. A clear mission to help 1 million families, yours being one of them, to earn $500 or more a month. By utilising our collective buying power and paying 100% of profits back to everyday consumers like you and me. So that's all. No ebook to sell you or how to become a millionaire overnight course that will cost you thousands. Just two young men on a mission to help pass on the same opportunity that we are grateful and lucky enough to be able to share with each one of you. We hold no expectations of any of you watching this. But if you're a person who wants to take that step and find out what waits for you on the other side, this is your opportunity. Our goal is to get to know each of your individual stories and become a part of them, because that's what Trunited is all about. We understand the businesses that are created for the 1%. And yes, they suck. No more having to worry or hide behind expensive company trips when sharing with friends and family members. We can promise you no minimums, no sign-up fees, simply giving you a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to earn or save through a platform that grows with you. So, in turn, you're able to share with your friends and family in order to help impact their lives for the better, and provide that little bit of extra freedom at the start of every month. Because good people and opportunities do come along once in a while. Our journey is just beginning. Will you join us?